Hiya! Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty.
Howdy.
Team Wrapsesh. We are doing a super fun custom collaboration once again with Don and That One Tattoo Parlor.
Yeah, that one.
That one guy.
That one guy at
who
that
does
one
those
place.
things. He actually tattooed my stomach, by the way. So
He did that.
yeah, that was him.
Yeah.
And of course, We Print Wraps, our friends over at We Print Wraps, Trish and Dill, which is located in Phoenix. They started We Print Wraps around the time we started Wrapsesh. Like that's when we all met. So we got history with them.
They were desert signs when we knew them.
Yes,
okay?
that's true. Before We Print Wraps.
Before We Print Wraps.
Yeah, so really cool collaboration project. If you guys remember a couple months ago, we did that Nissan 400Z in that teal to black fade wrap. That was also same people, same collaboration. So now we are transforming Don's travel van, which is a Mercedes high top Sprinter van. It's all decked out inside. We'll let you guys get a peek in there. So he's meant to go on road trips and stuff with his girly.
Van.
Very cool.
And
But
it's four-wheel drive.
But of course he needed a custom wrap. And we can't just do any custom print. We had to match his 400Z. So our print film was actually the 3M Ghost Flip Pearl, which is a white rainbow iridescent base. And in some of the lighter parts of this print, you can really tell that it has a rainbow sheen to it.
Yeah.
So it looks
Nice.
really spectacular. We Print Wraps also handled the design, which we were actually inspired by Trish's marble Porsche that we did.
That we did
for SEMA 2024,
Yeah.
right? So we had a black and white half and half marble fade kind of design.
And he really liked that.
He really liked that, but he likes like crazy colors. So we're like, yo, well, maybe it was his idea, I don't remember, but he wanted to do a pink and purple two-sided marble flip design.
Oh yeah.
So it's gonna be very colorful, very eye-catching. I think it's gonna look really awesome in the sun.
He wants to be noticed.
He's good at that.
This should do it.
It'll do the trick for sure, for sure. So yeah, we're just gonna dive in and get going. If you guys are interested in getting wholesale printed wraps shipped right to your door and you don't have printing capabilities, you can order designs and prints online at weprinwraps.com. We've been using them for ages, great people, quick turnarounds, lots of different product options, so make sure you guys check them out at We Print Wraps.
Go do that.
Ding! Thank you guys so much for watching our episode this week on this awesome possum Mercedes Sprinter van.
Possums are awesome.
You really, messing with my flow.
Sorry.
Okay, anyways, if you guys need wholesale printed wraps, make sure you guys check out weprinwraps.com for all your vehicle wrap needs, design printing, and shipping right to your door. Pretty cool? And if you want to get a really cool custom wrap with us, you guys know where to find us. You can check out our Facebook and Instagram, and of course our YouTube channel at Wrapsesh or Vinyl Vixen Wraps.
That one.
And yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Thanks.
Okay, bye now.
Thanks.
Thank you, come again.